Well, here we have it. The Stuart Turner, which I believe to be a colliery engine. Got it going at last. It's a gas-fired one. As you can see, she's quite a beast. This is the one I just got the other day. Needs an awful lot of heat to get it going. Slowing down just a wee bit. I think it might need just a little bit of settling. Yeah, as I say, it's a bit of a job to keep it going. That's something that needs to be looked at. Just turn it down a bit. And see if we can get it going again. There's a nice bit of machinery. And there she goes. Yeah, I think it needs just a little bit of work done there to get it running a little bit better. Apart from that, I'm quite pleased with it.